Hello everyone. So, do you compare yourself with others in the terms of speaking English? You should not do that. Because when you compare yourself with others, it only brings unhappiness, sadness in your life, in your mind. You will always feel less motivated, less confident. So don't try to compare yourself with others. Instead, do compare with yourself. How are you doing today? What the efforts are you putting in? पहले आप कैसे थे इंग्लिश में? एक महीने पहले कैसे थे आप इंग्लिश में? And what are you doing right now? So, what are you waiting for? Why don't you take a step ahead? Take an initiative and speak English. Just speak up. If you are having the basic knowledge of English, then that is it. You don't need to worry about. Just take an initiative and start speaking. Don't try to care about what people say. People will always judge you. If you are doing good, if you are doing not good, they will always judge you. And if I talk about comparison, there are lots of people who thinks like that. They always compare their self with others. But it's of no use doing that. It's just futile. सब व्यर्थ है, सब बेकार है. कंपैरिजन करना ही है तो खुद का खुद से कंपैरिजन करें और खुद को इम्प्रूव करें. इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ, इम्प्रूव योर स्पीकिंग स्किल्स. हैव दैट गट्स टू टॉक इन इंग्लिश. Assemble the courage. I know you must be thinking, I reiterate this thing again and again, but this is the fact, and I will be always reiterating this thing. This is a factual thing. So don't try to compare yourself with others. कंपेयर करना है तो खुद का खुद से कंपेयर करें. आज आप कितनी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं, पहले आपने कितनी करी, और आगे आप कितनी प्रैक्टिस करने वाले हैं, कितने आप एफर्ट्स डालने वाले हैं, विच इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. सो डोंट ट्राई टू कंपेयर योर सेल्फ विथ others, and always feel motivated, always feel confident when it comes to talk. This is an initiative point. It will bring positivity in your mind and you will start speaking up. Whether you are doing mistakes, you are getting falter, it doesn't matter at all. So always feel motivated and don't compare yourself with others. So I hope you like this video, and for today, thank you.